Okay, so welcome to you. Last time we have seen what do you mean by exact differential equation. Okay, so if differential equation is not exact, then what we have to do? Okay, so if differential equation is not exact, then we have to find an integrating factor. So before that, what do you mean by integrating factor? That we will discuss. Okay, so integrating factor. Suppose m dx plus n dy is not exact and becomes exact. If you multiply by the function u, then your this differential equation becomes exact. Then u is called an integrating factor. Okay, so just we will define properly. Suppose m dx plus n dy is not exact equation. A function u is equal to xy is called an integrating factor if the equation u m dx plus m u, this is n. Okay, this is n u n dy is equal to 0 is exact. That means what? After multiplication by u, it becomes exact. Then u is called integrating factor. Okay. Now, so this here we have forward here. So for the differential equation, this is a linear differential equation. For linear differential equation, your integrating factor is e to the power integral of p of x. So here we are writing the phi of x. Okay. So phi of x, just we are writing minus phi of x. So instead of that, what this is what? Integration of p of x. Don't write the minus sign now. This will be the integrating factor for the linear differential equation. Remember this. So this is what for the objective. You should remember this. They will also call you to find the integrating factor for this linear differential equation. Just take the coefficient of x, y, and just integrate that, and that will be the power of e now. Okay. Okay. Now we'll so what we our aim to find an integrating factor. Okay. So we have to find a function u. You have to find it. Now your what the equation is not exact. So what you have to make it as exact. Okay, by multiplying the integrating factor. So it is the crucial part to find the integrating factor. We have only the two methods for the integrating factor. If this method is not applicable, then what? Just leave the problem and go to the next problem. Okay. So what is that methods? There are two methods here. We have explained. So to find the integrating factor. Okay. If your differential equation is not exact and it is not in this form, so that you just have to leave the problem. So keep as it is now. Okay. So now if 1 by n, see n is minus here, so 1 by n is here. Here what? Your m is minus, so 1 by m is there. Okay. So now this is what? X. So this is what? Your x is what? Minus. Then it is what? Independent on y. Independent on y means this is what? This do not contain y. This expression do not contain y. So we call this expression as only the function of x, that is p of x. Okay. Then e to the power integral p of x is an integrating factor. Okay. So now this the same thing here now here. What? So you have to do this difference. Okay. So 1 by m. So dou n by dou x minus. So this is what? Y here. That means this is not a function of x now. Your y is minus. That means it is not a function of x. So this is what? This is function of y only. This is a function of y only. So we have written this is qy. Then e to the power integral qy is the integrating factor. Okay. Okay. So now we'll see how to solve this differential such as the differential equation not exact. Then how to find the integrating factor and how to find a solution of such differential equation. That we'll see. Okay. So we'll discuss with problem. Okay. So they will ask the question like this: what? Find an integrating factor and solve this. Okay. So just they will ask solve twice x y cube minus twice x cube y cube minus 4xy square plus twice x dx plus 3x square y square plus 4y dy is equal to 0. Okay. So we'll do the solution given that. Okay, we call this as 1. Okay, so comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. See, dx is first, dy is first. Okay, no problem. So m is equal to twice x y cube minus twice x cube y cube minus 4xy square. Okay, n. So dou n. This is n now. N is equal to just we have to write neatly n is equal to 3x square y square plus 4y. Okay, so now we find dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y. So what? Dou m by dou y, this is y cube. So this is what? 6xy square. Okay, here y cube is there. Again, double y cube. Okay, so double y cube is there. Okay, minus 6 x cube y square minus 8 xy. Okay, now we'll write here dou m by dou x, dou m by dou y now. Oh, dou n by dou x. Okay, dou n by dou x. So this is what? 6xy square. 6xy square only. Now see dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not exact. At least you can do this. At least you can do this. So what we will do? We will find dou m by dou y. What was this? Dou m by dou y by dou x. Okay. Find this difference. Okay. We will decide whether if you are divide by n divided by m, it is a single function of x or y. Okay. After dividing by m or after dividing by n, if it is a single function, so there is no problem. Okay. So we have to do the subtraction. 6x square. So this is what? Minus 6x cube y square minus 8xy. Minus 8xy. Okay. So if you take 2 common, so see here you can take twice x common, minus twice x common. Okay. So minus twice x common. Okay. Minus twice x common. So what we get here then? You take at least one common. Okay. So this is what then? X square y square or 3x square y square minus minus become plus now because you have taken minus sign common. So this is what? 4y. See, this is very complicated. This is simple here. What? 3x square y upon 4y. Okay, this is n. At least you get here, if you take something common, at least you get m or n. At least you get m or n. Okay, so what you get? This is your n. That means after dividing by n, so 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to. So that is n. So you have shifted this n here. That means upon n here. So this is equal to what? You can write this is what? Minus twice x n. Minus twice x n. Okay. So that means this is 1 by n is equal to what? Minus twice x is only function of x. Is only function of x. So therefore e raised to integral of minus twice x dx is equal to. So this is what then? So e raised to minus x square. E raised to minus x square is an integrating factor. Is an integrating factor. Okay. So we get integrating factor. So what you have to do then? You have to multiply by e raised to minus x square. Multiply by minus x square. Okay. Multiply by e raised to minus x square to equation 1 we get. We'll multiply the equation. Okay. This way. So this is the integrating factor. Okay. So this is what? E raised to minus x square twice x y cube minus twice x cube y cube minus 4xy square plus twice x dx plus e raised to minus x square 3x square y square plus 4y dy is equal to 0. We call this as 2. So equation 2 is an exact. Okay. So you have this one. You have multiplied this non-exact differential equation by integrating factor. So then this become an exact differential equation. Okay. The general solution of equation 1 is what? Y constant e raised to minus x square into twice x cube y minus twice x cube y cube minus 4xy square plus twice x dx plus term not containing x 3x square y square plus 4y dy is equal to c. Is equal to c. This is the general solution. Okay. Now we'll integrate this. Okay. So we'll multiply this. Okay. So this is what y constant e raised to minus x square twice. Okay. So this will write this as we'll simplify this twice x y cube e raised to minus x square. So instead of that, what we'll do? We'll take x common. Okay. We'll take this is what twice x common. Okay. Twice x common. E raised to minus x square. Okay. So this is what then y cube minus x square. Okay. Y cube minus x square. X square. Then minus y square minus 2y square. Twice x you have taken common plus 1 dx. Now here what? Okay, plus this term contain x, this term do not contain y, do not contain x, so we can integrate this. What? 4 y square by 2 is equal to c. Okay. Okay, so now here we'll use the substitution. Put x square is equal to u. Put x square is equal to u. So twice x dx is equal to du. Okay, so this is what twice x dx is there. This is du now. Okay, so integrating y constant e raised to minus u. Okay, so then this is what twice x dx will write just u. So this is what y cube minus u minus twice y square plus 1 du plus 2y square is equal to c. Okay. Okay, so what we will separate this only. Okay, now we'll integrate this. This we will separate the integration. Okay, so this is what y constant e raised to minus u y cube minus 2y square plus 1 du minus here no because here what there is no y, so we'll write just integrate as it is now. This is du plus twice y square is equal to c. Okay, now we'll integrate this. This is what e raised to minus u is what e raised to minus u upon minus 1 e raised to minus u upon minus 1 y cube minus twice y square plus 1. Okay, we have integrate this. Here you have to use the y part now. Here we have to use y part. Okay, so u integration of minus u du minus, because minus sign is here so I have written in the I applied, because in the y part there are two terms. Okay, so therefore what here I am writing in the y part in the bracket. Okay, so now this is integration d by du of u integration of e raised to minus u du. Okay, bracket complete. This is the y part. Okay, I have complete, because this is there is a coefficient or there is a minus sign, right in the bracket, because minus plays very important role. Twice y square is equal to c. Okay, now this is what then minus e raised to minus u. So e raised to minus u we can put, this is what, okay, so there is u also. Okay, no problem. This is what y cube minus twice y square plus 1 minus, I will integrate this, so minus become plus now, plus u e raised to minus u plus u e raised to, because here e raised to minus u upon minus 1 become plus. Okay, now I am writing here minus become plus now. Okay, but this is what integration of this minus this become plus. So here only what e raised to minus u remains again. Minus become plus, again e raised to minus u become, again this will be the minus. Okay, again this will be the plus, then plus e raised to minus u. Okay, so we'll do instead of this. Okay, without confusion we'll do this. Well, e raised to minus u upon minus 1 plus e raised to minus u du. Okay, we'll write this. Okay, we'll extend one step now. This is minus become y is plus, because integration of minus u, so this become plus now. Okay, so plus twice y square is equal to c. Okay, this is minus e raised to minus u y cube minus twice y square plus 1. We'll simplify this now. Plus u e raised to minus u. Again, this integration is what? Minus. So become plus now. E raised to minus u plus twice y square is equal to c. Okay. Now you see that here, if you simplify this, okay. If you simplify this, this become plus and this become a plus now. Okay. So this is what then. Okay. So this is what? E raised to minus x square twice y square minus y cube. This will be what? Minus. This will be minus. This will become plus. It will get cancelled. Okay. Plus x square e raised to minus x square plus twice y square is equal to c. This is your required solution of the differential equation. Okay. Now we take the next problem. Solve twice x y cube dx plus 3x square y square plus x square y cube plus 1 dy is equal to 0. Okay, comparing this equation with, we call this as 1. Okay, comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So what is your m? Twice x y cube. What is your n? 3x square y square plus x square y cube plus 1. Okay. Now dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y. That is what? 6x y square. Your dou m by dou x. So we have to differentiate with this relative. So 6x y square plus twice x y cube plus twice x y cube. Okay. So dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not exact. Equation 1 is not exact. So what we'll do? We'll find the difference of this. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by any difference you can find. Okay. Find dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y or this. Okay. So that will decide then. Okay. So just find this difference. What we get then? See, this is what? Twice x y cube minus 3x square. Oh, this is what? Dou m by dou y. This is what? 6x y square 6y get cancelled. So this is minus twice x y cube. Minus twice x y cube. Okay. So this is equal to what then? This is your single now here. Twice x y cube. So this is what then? Minus. This is minus m. This is minus m. Okay. So if this is minus m, then there will be there. If it is contain m or if it is contain n, then minus sign to the n. Okay. If it is m, then minus sign give to the m now. Okay. So that means you have to change the sign. Okay. So dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to m now. So this is what then? 1 by m dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. This is equal to 1. So we'll call this as g of y then. Okay. So this is y only. So it should be the function of y only. Okay. So therefore e raised to integration g of y is equal to integration 1 dy. This is dy. That is e raised to y is an integrating factor. Is an integrating factor. Okay. So multiply the equation 1 by multiply equation 1 by e raised to y. We get, once we get the integrating factor, multiply to equation 1. So this is what then, twice x y cube e raised to y dx plus e raised to y into 3x square y square plus x square y cube plus 1 dy is equal to 0. We call this as 2. Okay, equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is exact. Okay, so therefore the general solution of equation 1 is, okay, so y constant twice x y cube e raised to y dx plus term not containing x e raised to y 3x square y square plus x square y cube plus 1 dy is equal to c. Okay, now just what we will integrate this, because there is only integration in twice x. So integration of twice x is what? X square. So this is what? X square y cube e raised to y, because e raised to y cube is constant. Okay, so this become very easy now. Now here this term contain x, this term contain x, so it gets cancelled. Only e raised to y remains, and integration of e raised to y is e raised to y plus e raised to y is equal to c. Okay, so this is the general solution of the equation 1. This is your required general solution. Next, solve 3xy plus 6y square dx plus twice x square plus 9xy dy is equal to 0. Okay, so we call this as 1. Comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay, so your m is 3xy plus 6y square, your n is twice x square plus, what is that, it is 9xy, it is 9xy plus 9xy, okay. So dou m by dou y is what? 3x plus 12y, your dou n by dou x 4x plus 9y, okay. We'll subtract this one. So dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, okay. So this is what we have to subtract this from this. So this is what? Minus x plus 3y, okay. So what will, let me do this 1 by n now, okay. So we'll do this. So dou y minus dou n by dou x, okay. So your 1 by n is what? Minus x plus 3y upon, so now here what? There is no chances for getting 3y here, because 2 is here. Here what? If you can take 3 common, so here there is a chances for, okay, x plus 3y. Something is wrong here. Okay, so here what? This is what? Okay, upon n is what? Twice x square plus 9xy. Okay, so this is not a function of x, Again, if you take a1 by m, so dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay, if you are dividing by m, then this is what? Minus x plus 3y upon 3xy plus 6y square. Again, this is a function of, is not function of y also. If you are dividing by, it should be the function of y. If you are dividing by n, this should be the function of x, not function of x. Okay, the method is not applicable. The method is not applicable. Is not applicable. Okay, so now the method is not in the syllabus, so we'll take the next problem. So there is another method. So with the help of that another method, you can find integrating factor, but that method is very complicated. Okay, so we'll do next problem. So 5xy plus twice y plus 5 dx plus twice x dy is equal to 0. Okay, so comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay, you write this, right? Comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy. Now m is equal to 5xy plus twice y plus 5. Your n is what? Twice x. Okay, so dou m by dou y is equal to 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. Okay, and dou m by dou x is simply 2. Okay, we'll find this difference. Any difference you can find by dou x. So what 2 get cancelled? This is 5x. This is 5x. Okay, so this is what then? 5 by 2 into twice x. So this is what? 5 by 2 into n. 5 by 2 into n. Okay, you can manage this. So n you can divide by this is what? 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou x. So see, n minus n is there, so no need to change the sign. Okay, so this is what? 5 by 2. So now you are dividing by n, that means this is a function of x alone. This is a function of x alone. So therefore integration of e to the power integral f of x dx is equal to e to the power integration of 5 by 2 dx. So that is e to the power 5x by 2 is an integrating factor. Is an integrating factor. Okay, so we'll multiply this equation 1 by multiplying the equation 1 by multiplying equation 1 by e raised to 5x by 2. Okay, we get, we'll multiply e raised to 5x by 2, e raised to 5x by 2, e raised to 5x by 2. Okay, so we'll call this as 2 now. We'll call this as 2. Okay, now equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is an exact. So therefore the general solution of equation 1 is, you have to write the general solution of equation 1. Okay, you have to integrate this. What? Y constant e raised to 5x by 2 5xy plus twice y plus 5 dx plus term not containing x e raised to 5x by 2 twice x dy is equal to c. Now this term containing x, so this is vanishes now. Okay, only c here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write this is what? Y constant e raised to 5x by 2 5xy dx only. We'll write this only plus this is what? Y constant e raised to 5x by 2 twice y plus 5 dx is equal to c. This get vanishes. Okay, now here we have to apply by part. Okay, now here what? Here we don't have to use the by part, just we have to integrate e raised to 5x by 2 only. Okay, because twice y plus 5 is a constant here. Here y is constant, so we have taken y outside the integration. Now we use the by part now. Okay, so 5x. Now no need to say y constant, because what? We do not contain any y now. So integration of e raised to 5x by 2 dx minus integration d by dx of 5x integration of e raised to 5x by 2 dx is here dx. Now bracket complete. Okay, plus twice y plus 5 as it is e raised to 5x by 2 upon 5 by 2 is equal to C. Is equal to C. Okay. Now this is y. Just we'll write this 5x e raised to 5x by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus, so derivative is 5. Okay. E raised to 5x by 2 upon 5 by 2 dx, bracket complete, plus 4y plus 10 upon 5 e raised to 5x by 2 is equal to C. So now this is what y into, so this 5 get cancelled, so this is what then, twice x e raised to 5x by 2 minus integration of 5 get cancelled here, 2 e raised to 5x by 2 dx, bracket complete, plus 4y plus 10 upon 5 e raised to 5x by 2 is equal to C. Okay. Now we will integrate this and just we will multiply by y only. Twice x e raised to 5x by 2 minus, this is twice y e raised to 5x by 2 upon 5 by 2. Okay. Plus 4y by 5 e raised to 5x by 2 plus, just I am writing simplified this. This is what, 2 e raised to 5x by 2 is equal to C. Okay. Now this is what then, twice x e raised to 5x by 2 minus 4y by 5 e raised to 5x by 2 plus 4y by 5 e raised to 5x by 2 plus 2 e raised to 5x by 2 is equal to C. Now see, this get cancelled. So this get cancelled. You can write this is what, 2 e raised to 5x by 2 x plus 1 only. X plus 1 is equal to C. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is your general solution. Oh, y is here. Huh? Oh, we have left here y. Y will multiply. So somewhere y should be there. Okay. So xy. Okay. So y is here. So what? Xy plus 1. Xy plus 1. Okay. So this is the answer we get. Okay. Now we take the next problem. Just take the care everywhere now here. What? We have to multiply y to all here. We have multiplied here, but we have left to multiply here now. Okay. Try to take the care of that one. Okay. Okay. So solve 6x y square plus twice y dx plus 12x square y plus 6x plus 3 dy plus 3 dy. Okay, so comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. We call this as 1. Okay, so m is equal to 6xy square plus twice y. N is equal to 12x square y plus 6x plus 3. Okay, so dou m by dou y is 12xy plus 2. 12xy plus 2. Dou m by dou x. 24xy plus 6 now. Okay, so dou m by dou y minus dou m by, we'll find any difference there. Either find dou m by dou x minus dou m by dou y, all of this. Okay, so this is equal to what then? 12. This is what? Minus 12xy minus 4. You are subtracting this from this. So these are the minus. So minus. Okay, so I can take minus 4 common. Minus 4 common. What I get then here? So 3xy minus 1. So you see here, if you take twice y common, so there are chances for this. Here you cannot take common. Okay, so what I will do? I will divide by m now. Okay, So dou m, I will do this, okay? Minus y, dou n by dou x. So this is equal to what? Minus 4 3xy minus 1 upon, your m is what? I will take 2y common. 2y common. So this is what? 3xy. So here what? Both are minus. So this is plus now. Because both are minus. So you are taking minus common. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 now. Okay. And what is this? This is minus 2 upon y. Minus 2 upon y. Okay. So but here what? This is a function of y only. Okay. So function of y. You are dividing by m. You get a function of y. But what here? So there is a minus for dou m by dou x. So just we will change the sign of all now. So what we get then? Dou n by dou x. So this care you have to take on. You should do this. What? If there is what? Function of y only. So your minus should be for dou m by dou y. So we what? Just change the sign only. Don't do anything now. So this is what? 2 upon y. This is the function of y alone. Function of y alone. So therefore what? E raised to integral f of y dy is equal to e raised to integral 2 upon y dy is equal to e raised to 2 log y. So this is e raised to log y square. So this is equal to y square is an integrating factor. Okay, you have to simplify this. So your integrating factor is what? Y square. What you have to do? You have to multiply equation 1 by y square. Okay, multiply equation 1 by y square. We get. Okay, I have read this equation. Just I am multiplying this by y square. Oh, this is equal to 0. Okay, so we are multiplying by y square. So this is what? Y square. This is y square, and I will call this as 2 now. Okay, after multiplying this. Okay, equation 2 is an exact. Okay, so therefore the general solution of equation 1 is y constant. Okay, so this is what? 6xy raised to 4 plus 4y cube dx plus term not containing x. So this is what? 12x square y cube plus 6x y square plus 3y square dy is equal to c. Okay, y constant means what? This is what? 6x square upon 2 y raised to 4 plus y cube, as it is integration of constant is you are integrating with respect to x. So just multiply by x only. Here what? The term not containing x. This term containing x, this term containing x, this term do not containing x. So this is what? This is y cube upon 3 is equal to c. Just simplify this. This is what? 3x square y raised to 4 y cube plus y cube is equal to c. Okay. So this is the required general solution now. So here we have written 2y cube. So this is what? 2y. Okay. This is 2, not 4 now here. So this is what? 2y cube. So 2. Okay. So now this is the correct. Okay. Okay. So you have to take the care of that one. Okay. So by mistake it happened. So but we have to take the care of that. Okay. Okay. Now we take the next problem. So see, this is very easy now. Problems are very easy now. Okay. If you solve 100 problems, so same thing will be happen for 101 problem. Okay. So do this honestly. So cos x cos y dx plus sin x cos y minus sin x sin y plus y dy is equal to 0. We call this as 1. Okay. Now comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So one more problem is there. Okay. So m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So your m is equal to cos x cos y. Your n is sin x cos y minus sin x sin y plus y. Okay. So dou m by dou y. So cos y, this is what? Minus cos x sin y, minus cos x sin y. Okay, now you are dou n by dou x now. Okay, so this is what cos x cos y, cos x cos y, minus cos x sin y. Okay, minus cos x sin y. Okay, now we will do this difference. Okay, dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou x. So this should be subtracted from this one. So this is cos x sin y and this is cos x sin y. So this become plus now, minus become plus, this get cancelled. So you got only the minus cos x cos y, minus cos x. So see this cos x cos y is there. Okay, so directly we write this is what minus m. This is directly we write minus m. But this function contains m. Okay, so there should be the minus side to m now. Okay, we'll change the sign now. So dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to m. So 1 upon m dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 1. This is only the function of y. So this is what f of y. It is constant. So this is the function. This should be the function of y because we have to integrate this with respect to y only. Okay. So therefore e raised to integral f of y dy, e raised to integral just dy. This is e raised to y is an integrating factor. Is an integrating factor. If the question they will ask, just find the integrating factor. If their question is what, just find integrating factor. Just stop here. Okay. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to solve the differential equation. That means you have to multiply the equation 1 by e raised to y. So just we will multiply this equation by e raised to y. Okay. So we'll call this as 2 now. We'll call this as 2. Okay. Now this is exact. Okay. So equation 2 is an exact. Is an exact. So it is exact. Okay. So the general solution of 1, the general solution of equation 1 is, okay, term, okay, this is what y constant, e raised to y cos x cos y dx plus term not containing x. So this is what e raised to y. We'll multiply this sin x cos y minus e raised to y sin x cos y plus y e raised to y dy is equal to c. You have to write c there. Okay. Now we will integrate this. This is what e raised to y cos y is constant and integration of cos x is sin x now. Not minus. This is sin x. Is sin x. Okay. This contain x, so it will be 0. Now here what? You have to apply the by part now. Okay. So there is a plus sign. So we directly apply the by part. Okay. E raised to y dy minus d by dy of y integration of e raised to y dy. This dy is equal to c. Directly we can use the by part. So this is what e raised to y sin x cos y. Okay. Plus y e raised to y minus. So derivative of y is 1 e raised to y. So this is what e raised to y just minus e raised to y is equal to c. Okay. So this is the general solution of. This is the general solution. Okay. So we have already written the general solution of equation 1. No need to write the general solution of equation 1. Okay. Now next. Okay. Solve x raised to 4 y cube plus y dx plus x raised to 5 y square minus x dy is equal to 0. Okay. So we call this as 1. We call this as 1. Okay. Comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So your m is what? X raised to 4 y cube plus y. Your n is what? X raised to 5 y square minus x. Okay. So dou m by dou y. This is also written as my. Note that. This is also written as my. Okay. So dou m by dou y. This is what? 3x raised to 4 y square plus 1. Dou n by dou x. This is also written as nx. Okay. Don't write that nx, but I am telling you that this is also written as nx. Nx is what? Derivative of x. Derivative of n partial with respect to x. Okay. So this is what? 5 x raised to 4 y square minus 1. Okay, now we'll do this. What? Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Any subtraction you can do this. Okay, both the rules we are checking. Both the rules we are checking that whether which rule is applicable. Okay, at a time we can do this. Okay, this minus this. So this become minus and this become plus now. Okay, so this is what then x raised to 4 y square is there. Okay, so minus 2 x raised to 4 y square, and this become plus, then this is what plus 2. Okay, so which place here? So here see, if you take y common here, so this is what then minus okay, so this is what minus. How you got minus? Okay, here there is what y square this. Okay, so we'll take a minus 2 common. We'll take minus 2 common. Okay, so what we get then? X to the power 4 y square minus 1. Now see, if you take x common here, okay, so what we'll do? 1 upon n we will do. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. What? Because of here, if you take the y common, so y square, so x to the power 4 y square, the y is also there. Okay, y is also there. And here if you take x common here, that also work now. That also work. So we'll do this. Okay, so minus 2 x raised to 4 y square minus 1 upon, I'll take x common. So this is what? X to the power 4 y square minus 1. So this is what? Minus 2 by x. This also work. This also work now. This also work. If you take y common, this will not be work now, because both are the plus here. Okay, so this m do not work here. Both are the plus. We can what? One is minus, so one is minus only here. Okay, it will work only. This is what your function of x only. This is your function of x only. Okay, and the n minus sign is what? To the n. Okay, no problem for this one. So the e to the power integral f of x dx is equal to e to the power integral minus 2 upon x dx is equal to e raised to minus 2 log x. So this is e raised to minus log of x square. So this is 1 upon x square is an integrating factor. Is an integrating factor. Okay, so we'll multiply equation 1 by. Okay, so multiply the equation 1 by multiplying equation 1 by 1 upon x square, we get. So this is what? 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square is equal to 2 now. This will be what? 2. Okay. Now equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is exact. Okay. Therefore the general solution of equation 1 is what? Y constant. So I will multiply by 1 by x square now. So this is what then? X square y cube plus y by x square dx plus this is what? Term not containing x. So I will multiply this what? X to the power 3 now. X to the power y minus 1 upon x dy is equal to c. Okay, here what? All the terms contain x, so we don't have to think about this part now. Okay, only have to think about this part. Okay, now this is x square, so this is what? X cube by 3 y cube minus y by x now. Because what? This is x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 1 upon minus 1, so this becomes this. Okay, so is equal to c. This is equal to c. Okay, so this will be your required general solution. Okay, so I hope that you understand this. Okay, so now this is what in this way you can solve the number of problems on the exercise. So try to do the problems on the exercise. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.